Hi, it is Rick from US Corporate Capital Leasing. Used work truck financing is available in today's market for the startup and seasoned business with good and bad credit. Owner-operators can lease a work truck to own with bad credit is no problem. We have many financing programs for the startup owner-operator or the fleet owner. Personal credit scores can start as low as 500. Applicants with bad credit can overcome this with either a substantial down payment or pledging free and clear assets such as trucks, trailers or equipment as additional collateral. Work trucks can include box trucks, dump trucks, flatbed trucks, garbage trucks, tow trucks, semi-trucks and day cabs. Kenworth, Peterbilt, Freightliner, Volvos, Max, Internationals. Give us a call at 800-760-6863 and get all the program details. Happy hunting for your used work truck acquisition and its related financing.